Hi, welcome to the next video of Standard 10th Maths 1 Practice Set 1.2. Here we'll be starting with the practice set 1.2. In previous practice set, we studied about the elimination method. In this practice set, we study about the graphical method. So as we are solving the practice set, we will come to know what is the actual procedure. So let's move towards the practice set. So at the first question of practice set, they are given two equations, x plus y equals to 3, and here they have given x minus y equals to 4. And they have given two tables. We have to complete the tables. While plotting the graph, first we have to take two values of x and y like that. That way if we put the values here, answer will come 3. They are called ordered pairs. Okay, so let's see. They have given here for this table x, y and xy. Okay, so they have given x as 3, they have told to find y, and they are given here 3 0. Okay, they have asked value of x, they have given y at 5 last year, and also they have given here like this, given the value of this 3, and here they have given 0 3. Now there is one simple method. I'll tell you. Wait. Now see, in this case and this case, you can find directly. 3 is given, other number is 0. So here it should be 0. Here 3 is given, other number will be 0. So here you can write directly, yes. But here how we will find? What is the actual procedure? Value of x is given here, yes. X is given 3, put that value. And from that you have to find the value of y. Similarly we find here now. They have given the value of y. Let's see. They have given the value of y. Keep x as it is. So therefore x will become as 3 plus 5 will go and become minus 5. So x will become as minus 2. And that we want here. So here will become minus 2 and 5. Got it this? X plus y. Now we'll move to x minus y. Let's see what is being given in x minus y. Okay. X, y, x, y. They have given here, they have asked here x. They have given here 0. And they have again asked here also. Next they have given minus 1. They have asked here and here. And here they have directly given 0, minus 4 and 0, minus 4. Now, okay, 3 ordered pairs we have to find. Now here y is given 0. So put y as 0. We'll get the answer here. X minus y equal to 0. So x minus y equal to 4. X minus 0 equal to 4. So then x will become 4 minus 0 will become plus 0. So x will become as 4. So here you get 4 comma 0. X y means x is 4 and y is 0. Next here they are given x is minus 1. Put minus 1 minus y equals to 4. Yes. So now keep minus y at a time here. 4 plus 1 will go that side. Minus y will become 5. So therefore y will become minus 5. So here it will become minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5. Now if we put these values 4 0, x 4 y 0, you get same. 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 1 minus minus 5. So it will become 4. If you put these values, it will satisfy the equation. Understood the first question? Yes, take a quick recap of both slides. Okay. Now we'll move to the second question. Okay. Here you have to first find the ordered pairs and then draw the graph. Okay. So let's see. First question. They are given two equations, x plus y equals to 6, and again they are given x minus y equals to 4. Now here, while doing, first you have to convert the first equation in the form of x and second equation in the form of y. So let's see. Okay. So here y we will get here x as 6 minus y. Now here we can't do it directly of minus y. So first we will form it in the x form. 4 plus y. Now keep y that side as it is and bring 4 this side. So it will become x minus 4. So therefore y will be x minus 4. Okay, see here, look here. Okay. Now we'll make the tables. X, y, x, y. Let's see what can we take. Okay. If you take here, now here you take first y and then find x, so it will be better for you. So if you take y as 3, x will also become 3. Okay. Now if you take y as 2, x will become 4. And if you take y as 5, x will become 1. Okay. Now, while doing, first have to plot this equation now. Okay, first have to plot this equation of x plus y equals to 6. What are the points? 3, 3. See on the graph, here I have plotted the point 3 and 3. 3 x axis, 3 y axis. Next is 4 and 2. 4 on x axis, 2 on y axis. And 1 and 5. 1 on x axis, 5 on y axis. So this we have plotted and we have just drawn a line passing through it. Have you seen the graph? Okay. Now come to next, x minus y equals to 4. Here first we will take the ordered pairs. Okay. X, y, x, y. Okay. Let's see. Unless you practice this, you will not be able to do it. Okay. So here let's take y as 1. So what will x become? 5. Okay. If we take y as, now first take x, because here you have to put the x. So take x 5, then take x as 1, it will become minus 3. And take it 2, it will become minus 2. Okay. So 5, 1, 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 2. Okay. Now you plot this line on same equation. X 5, y 1. See the line I plotted? Yes. Next 1x minus 3 on y axis. And 2 on x axis minus 2 on y axis. And draw a line passing through it. Now see that where are the two lines intersecting, two lines meeting each other at that point. And that point you see, you will get as on x axis it will be 5 and on y axis it will be 1. That is intersecting point. So therefore solution will be, yes, solution will be 5, 1. Therefore solution will be 5, 1. On x axis it will be 5 and on y axis it will be 1. This is your question. This is your answer. Clear? Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, second question. Just take a quick recap. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Here I will be solving first, second and sixth, and remaining you have to solve at home for practice. So let's see the second question. What is the second question? They have given the equation x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 3. Here same, first form it in the form of x. So x will be 5 minus y. And here first form it on x, that is 3 plus y. Keep y this side, it will become x minus 3. So therefore y will become as x minus 3. Clear? Now take the ordered pairs x, y, x, y. Okay. So let's see. Here first we will take y. If we take y as 1, it will become as 4. X will become as 4. If we take here 0, it will become as 5. And if we take here 6, it will become as minus 1. Okay. So this will be 4, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 6. Now plot these points. On x-axis, see the graph. On the x-axis 4, y-axis 1. X-axis 5, y-axis 0. And x-axis minus 1, y-axis 6. Clear? And draw a line passing through it. Drawn? Clear. Okay. Now this. Now second line you see. Again form the ordered pairs. X, y, x, y. Okay. So here, if we take, now first take value of x. If we take x as 5, you will get here 0. Sorry, 2 you will get here. If you take here 1, you will get here minus 2. And if you take here 0, you will get here minus 3. Just put the value of x and find the value of y, you will get it. Okay, so here it will become 5 and 2. Here 1 minus 2. And here 0 minus 3. Now look at the graph. Plot this line. 5, 2. X axis 5, y axis 2. X axis 1, y axis minus 2. And x axis 0, y axis minus 3. Then pass a line through it. And again same procedure. See where the two lines are meeting each other. And for that point on x axis it will be 4 and on y axis it will be 1. Just check it. On x axis it will be 4 and on y axis it will be 1. And that is the solution of your answer. 4 and 1. Clear? Just take a quick recap. Okay. Now we'll move to the last and sixth question, which is little bit tricky. Okay, to form the equation. We'll move to that equation. Number 6. See which is 6 number. First equation is given 2x minus 3y equals to 4. And another equation is 3y minus x equals to 4. Now here you have to find the value of 2x minus 3y. So first find the value of 2x. Will be 4 plus 3y. Am I right? Yes. So now therefore we can find the value of x. 4 plus 3y upon 2. Am I right? This is the value of x. Now here, what we have to do? We have to find the value of x. Sorry, y. So here you write 3y equals to 4 plus x. So therefore y we will get 4 plus x upon 3. Okay. Now same procedure. We have to take the ordered pairs. X, y, x, y. Okay. See the first. If now you have to take a value of y first, so you get a value of x. Okay, so if you take y as 0, I will solve you and I will show you. Here 4 plus 3 into 0 upon 2. So that is equal to 4 plus 3 0 0 upon 2. So that is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 that is equal to 2. So x you will get as here 2. Okay. So here 2 0. Similarly, if we take y as 2, you get here as 5. 5, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Yes. And if we take y as 6, you will get here minus 1. Okay. Sorry. If we take y as minus 2, it will get minus 1. Okay. Now you can write 5 2 minus 1 minus 2. Now again plot this line on the graph. See to the graph. 2 0. On x axis you have to plot 2, y axis 0. Next 5 2. X axis 5, y axis 2. Next minus 1 minus 2. X axis minus 1, y axis minus 2. Clear? Now we will move to the next. Here are the same. Find the ordered pairs. X, Y, X, Y. Okay. If we take here 0, y if we take 0, 4 plus 0, yes, y, sorry, you have to take x as, here you have to take the value of x first. So what can we take value of x? Tell me. Yes? Okay, take minus 4. Y will be 0. And what you can take? Just think. Yes, if you take 2, you will get here also 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are. So you will get 2, 2. And what you can get? Should you tell me? Minus 1, if you take, you will get the answer 1. Okay. Now, again plot the equations here on the graph. Minus 4 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis. 2 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis. And minus 1 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. Pass a line. Again see the both where the two lines are meeting or two lines are intersecting. Yes? You will get the solution. On x-axis it will be 8 and on y-axis it will be 4. So this is your solution, 8 and 4. Understood the graphical method? Okay, if any queries you can contact me. I'll clear your queries. Okay? Till then practice at home remaining questions and the problem set questions related to this practice set. Thank you. We'll meet in next video with next practice set. Thank you. Have a good day.